Hi! Today we will learn to make a craft, a popsicle stick picture frame. Materials needed are 1 popsicle sticks, around 10 to 15 depending on frame size, 2 glue, hot glue gun or white craft glue, 3 scissors to trim the popsicle sticks if needed, 4 paint, acrylic or spray paint in colors of your choice, 5 decorative elements, beads, buttons, sequins, glitter, ribbons, etc. 6 brushes for painting. 7 craft paper or scrapbook paper for background. 8 a photo to fit the frame. 9 ruler to measure and cut accurately. Here are the step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Prepare the popsicle sticks. Lay out 10 to 15 popsicle sticks on a flat surface. Decide on the size of the frame you want to create, and then cut or trim the sticks to fit your design. Step 2. Assemble the frame. Start by laying out 4 popsicle sticks to form a square or rectangular shape. Apply glue to the edges of the sticks and connect them to create the outer frame. Step 3. Decorate the frame. Once the basic frame is assembled, it's time to get creative. Paint the popsicle sticks in your desired colors using brushes. Let the paint dry completely. If you want to add some extra flair, glue beads, buttons, sequins, or glitter around the edges of the frame. You can also apply decorative washi tape, ribbon, or stickers to personalize the frame even more. Step 4. Add the backing. Cut a piece of craft paper or scrapbook paper to fit the back of the frame. This can add a pop of color or pattern behind your photo. Attach the backing to the frame using glue. Step 5. Insert the photo. Place your photo in the center of the frame. You can either use glue to secure the photo to the backing or leave it loose for easy swapping later. Step 6. Display your frame. You can either hang the frame on the wall with a hook or place it on a shelf. Add a small picture hanger to the back if you'd like to hang it. Ta-da! A photo frame is ready. See you in the next craft.